यदि तपाई पहिलो पटक यो च्यानलमा भिडियो हेरिरहनु भएको छ भने यस्तै नयाँ जानकारीमूलक भिडियोहरूको लागि यो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला र नोटिफिकेसनको लागि बेल आइकन पनि थिच्नुहोला। Okay, that is less than OGIVE. Okay, and then you are asked to find out the first quarter class only, not the value. Okay, just class you have to find out. For that, first you have to locate, the number, total number of students. Okay, so total number of students निकाल्नलाई चाहिँ त्यो ग्राफको हाईएस्ट पोइन्ट कहाँ छ भनेर हेर्ने हो के simply. Okay, so from graph, so what is the highest point that the curve has touched in that graph? Highest point कहाँ टच गरेको छ हेर त number of students को line हेर number of students y axis मा छ है be careful in that. You have to be careful what is y axis and what is x axis. So if you see x axis, that is marks obtained, that is x, okay, class interval, and if you see y axis, that is number of students, that is frequency. So you have to be careful first, okay. And while choosing n, so first while finding out n, you have to see the number of students side, that is y axis. So y axis ma maximum to curve le kaha touch gareko cha, maximum point, so where it has touched, so up to here 60. So if you see the curve has touched up to here, that is 60. So this is number of students line, okay, this is number of students, be careful hai ekdam khayal gareko कुरा. So number of students line is this one. So if you see the curve, it has touched the maximum point, that is 60. So n will be equals to 60. And you are asked to find out q1. So q1 equals to, since this is the continuous series, because class intervals are given, so you will use n by 4, that is 60 by 4 equals to 15th item. Now what you do here is you graph मा तिमीले हेर्यौ भने यहाँ 10 20 30 40 भनेको छ, 15 भनेको यहाँ हुन्छ. सो यहाँबाट एउटा लाइन सर ड्रा गर्ने अनि त्यो लाइनमा टच गराउने, त्यो कर्वमा टच गराउने, त्यो कर्वमा जहाँ टच हुन्छ नि त्यहीबाट मुनितिर लिएर आउने. दिस इज द वे, ओके, टु फाइन्ड आउट द क्लास. रिमेम्बर 15 जस्तै हाम्रो 15 आयो, यो 15 बाटै यो ग्राफमा y एक्सिसबाट 15 बाट लाइन सर तान्ने स्ट्रेट टु कर्व, अनि जहाँ कर्वमा टच हुन्छ त्यहाँबाट तल ल्याउने. तल पर्दाखेरि जुन क्लासमा पर्यो नि, द्याट इज द क्लासमा ठ्याक्कै पर्दैन यो, अब हुन्छ नियरली जस्तो पर्छ, देन द्याट इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्लास इन्टरभल. Like your answer should be 30 to 40, because it will, I think it will touch at, just a minute, okay, at 30, exactly 30, I think, okay. Okay, so graph is going like this, okay, example this is, okay. So I'll start from beginning, okay. So from such, remember one thing, such curves, okay, this more than OGIVE and less than OGIVE curves are made for continuous series. Remember this thing, continuous class intervals, that means class interval को लागि मात्र यस्तो OGIVE कर्वहरु बन्छ है, ख्याल गर. that means you are solving the continuous series problem. So यो फर्मुला को लागि भने कि मैले स्पेशली यस्तो ग्राफ आयो भने यो continuous series problem हो, र यसको लागि फर्मुला भनेको n/4 n/2 3n/4 नै हुन्छ. केयरफुल, +1 आउँदैन है, एउटा कुरा क्लियर हुनु पर्यो. And to find out this n, okay, you have to see both y-axis and x-axis of this graph. So y-axis हेर्यो भने this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So y-axis मा के छ, x-axis मा के छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ क्लियर हुनु पर्यो. y-axis मा हेर्यो भने तिमीहरुको ग्राफमा के छ, number of students भनेको छ, okay. And then if you see in the x-axis, this is marks obtained भनेको छ, Now to find out n, you always have to look at the frequency. So this number of students is always frequency, so you know that. So this is frequency. So n पत्ता लगाउनलाई जहिले पनि फ्रिक्वेन्सी हेर्नु पर्छ के, भनेपछि हामीले यो y एक्सिस हेर्नु पर्ने रहेछ. नाउ यो अब कर्वलाई ध्यान दियौ, यो कर्वको मिनिमम पोइन्ट हैन कि म्याक्सिमम पोइन्ट चाहिँ कहाँ गएर चाहिँ y एक्सिसमा टच भएको छ. सो हेर यो म्याक्सिमम पोइन्ट यो, अब यसलाई चाहिँ तानेर तिमीले y एक्सिस तिर लिएर, कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ ठ्याक्क आउँदैन है, कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ फरक आउँछ. अहिले चाहिँ ठ्याक्क 60 मा छ, कहिलेकाहीँ तलतिर पनि आउन सक्छ के. That time you have to draw a line like this. Okay, like this dotted line. So you draw gara, straightly draw gara, y axis meet garo, जहाँ meet भयो, that is n. Okay, so in your graph it will meet at 60, so n equals to 61. So n equals 60 यसरी आयो है. Now use n भयो, Okay, now you are asked to find out Q1. So Q1 equals to n by 4. You know that. I already said it is continuous series, so you have to use n by 4, not n plus 1 by 4. Okay, careful. So this is continuous series, n by 4. So n is 60. 60 by 4 is 15. So we have to source this 15th item. Now for finding out this 15th item, we again look at the frequency. So 15 कहाँ छ हेर्छौँ हामी यहाँ 15 त exact छैन, but it lies between 10 and 20. So we consider it is nearly here. So this is 15, R15, nearly. So what you do here is you draw a line from 15 to curve. अघि जस्तै dotted line. सरी ड्र गर्छौ. ओके, सरी ड्र गर्छौ. एन्ड जहाँ कर्भमा टच हुन्छ नि त्यहाँबाट फेरि स्ट्रेटली तल ल्याउँछु पर्पेन्डिकुलरली. अब अहिले यहाँ मिस्टेक छ, मेरो ग्राफ मिस्टेक छ होइन, तिमीहरूकोमा चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै आई थिङ्क अराउन्ड 30तिर मिट हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ. जहाँ चाहिँ तिम्रो यो लाइन ड्र गरेर जहाँ तलपट्टि हुन्छ नि तल जहाँ मिट गर्छ नि, जस्तो यहाँ हेर त यसमा के भयो, यसमा हेर है, यसमा के भयो 20 to 30 को बिचमा परेर. सो द Q1 क्लास इज 20 to 30. यो क्वेसन अनुसार है, यहाँ मेरो ग्राफ अनुसार चाहिँ यो आयो. तर तिमीहरूको क्वेसनको ग्राफमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि when you draw a line from here, this will meet exactly, I think exactly at 30. So when it meet exactly at 30, so that lies in 30 to 40, okay, not 20 to 30. So you may have done in your previous classes like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So whenever we have to put the value 10, okay, in these intervals, where do you put 1, 2, or 3? It's 10 to 20, okay, remember always. This class interval 0 to 10 means this interval contains the value from 0 to 10 but not 10. Okay, this contains from 10 to 20, it includes 10 as well. Up to 20 but not 20, this means, remember. Okay, so if you got over here 30, okay, this 30 should not lie in 20 to 30, it should lie in 30 to 40. Careful. Okay, therefore your answer is Q1 equals to 30 to 40. एकदम ख्याल गरेको कुरा है, हेर्दाखेरि कस्तो सानो जस्तो देखिन्छ, but it's very logical. Okay, so this is how you solve these graphical problems. Okay, this will be asked in your higher level as well. तिम्रो ब्याचलरसम्म पुग्दा मास्टर्स पढ्दाखेरि पनि it's very important, this less than OGIVE and more than OGIVE curve. You have to calculate in such ways lots of times. Okay, so be very, clear about this.
Thank you for your support. See you soon in the class.